Okay, our next step is reverse the nominal balances in preparation for entering the trial balance. So what Sage would do in this step is, so all the balances which we could see in the trial balance, if I could show you here, it's here. If I take you here. So these balances for debtors control account and creditors control account and suspense account will be reversed. So we won't be able to see any balance in the trial balance. If I quickly close it and I should go to nominal codes and I show you the balances here, you will be able to see this is the creditors control account in current liabilities, this is debtors control account, and this is total overheads. But if you drop it down and then you could see the balance in here in the suspense account. You can quickly collapse it and I will go back to the same file, which is open balance, and I will compress, and this one is here. So I will click on this one, reverse the nominal balance, and do you want to create a backup of your data before reversing your customer and suppliers open balance? I don't want to, so I will just click on no. So it shows you the opening and closing balance, but this is the reversal journal. See, debtors control account is on the credit side, and suspense account, which was previously appearing on the debit side, it is also on the credit side. The date is same and it says opening balance reversal, and this is the balance as our debit and credit side is equal. So I will click on reverse. Date entered is outside current financial year, yes, because this is 31st of May 2016, and I will click on yes. So if I close it now and I take you to the nominal codes, see there are no balances in the debits and credits. But if I take you to the overheads and then suspense account, previously there was some balance. So if you double click and you go to activity, you will be able to see this one, the reversal one. This is the reversal. So you could see the reversal of the balance in here. Similarly, you can see the activity for debtors control account and creditors control account. So I will go back and open balances. Yes. And the next step is, this is the last step in fact, enter the trial balance from your accountant. So I will click on this one, and it will show you the window where you can post all the balances which are coming from the final trial balance. So my final trial balance is here. So the first one is freehold property, so you can put here 0010. In Sage, nominal codes start with 0010, which is the nominal code for fixed assets. So in here you can just copy that thing and you can write here. If you want to write here something, you can write here opening balance, put that in caps, and the opening balance for this one is 180. I'll put it here. The next one is plant and machinery. Of course you don't charge any depreciation on property. Next one is plant and machinery. So this one is 00, this one 0020, and this is also OB, and amount is 50,000. The next one is accumulated depreciation. So this is the plant and machinery depreciation, which is 0021. Depreciation which is charged to profit and loss. It starts with nominal codes 8, so you can check it later. So this one is plant and machinery and 28906. This is 28906. Next is office equipment, which is 00, and this is office equipment 0030, and amount is 1350, and then it is accumulated depreciation for office equipment. We have amount 6588. This is 6588. Next step is furniture and fixture, starting in 00, and this is 0040, and amount is 4500, and then we have 0041, and this is 2700. This is here. Next one is stock. This is the this is the opening stock in profit and loss, and this starts with 5200. Yeah. So this is the opening stock, profit and loss, because the closing stock for the last year becomes the opening stock for the new year, which will be appearing in profit and loss. The amount is 61254. This is 61254. Okay, next, this is debtors control account. Debtors control account is 1100. You can put them there because we have put the balances individually, and there was some opening trial balance, but then we reversed it, so there wasn't any figure in the trial balance as I showed you previously. 6640040. The next one is bank current account, which is 1200, and amount is 22504. The next is cash account, which is 1213. I'm treating it as a petty cash. You can also put that into the cash register, and this one is 400. Next account is prepayment, and this is 1103, and amount is here 1850. Next amount is creditors control account, which is 2100. It comes here. This is 14181. And next amount is VAT control account. So this is going to be 2202. So this is VAT liability account, and this one is 5628. And you may be having, in some cases, you may be having the individual accounts for sales tax control account and purchase tax control account, so you can put them separately, but the effect will be going into the VAT liability account. Okay, the next one is payee. Payee is 1110, and this amount is 2565. And we have national insurance, which is 2211, and amount is 1250. And then we have net wages, which is 2220, and the amount is 9230. We have is debtors account. Debtors account is 2301, and the amount is 79975. Next one is sales. Sales nominal code is 4000, and it will be coming on credit side. This is 510. So 510, and this one is here. And then we have purchases. Purchases is 5000, which is default nominal code for purchases. This is 179856. And then we have equipment hire. Equipment hire. Okay, what I can do here is I have this Sage nominal code file exported in Excel from Sage, so I can just quickly do Control F, and I can write here equipment, search with hire, and it says next one, car hire. This is 7700. So I will go back to my Sage and I will write here 7700, and the amount is here 3500, and this is going to be 3500. Then we have rates. We can see from here. You see general rates, so we put them here, and the amount is 22930. Next is advertising. Advertising starts with 6200, 6201, and the amount is 7550. Next Nominal code is staff salaries. Staff salaries you need to put that into